In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your mirror cap. That's the top cap right here, and if you wanted to paint it before installing it, go right ahead. If not, since this one's black, I'm going to put another black one in. This will apply to the 2008 to 2010 Ford F-250. Now this is for the tow mirrors only, not for the factory regular mirrors. Tow mirrors only. So let's get started. I have the mirror folded so I can work better. It's a little bit easier this way. And all you want to do for this one is take a trim tool and slide it underneath, pop it out. It just has two tabs at the bottom and two at the top that hold it in. And there you have it. Old one's out. Take your nice shiny new one, slide it on. And there you have it, installed.